What's the deal, ladies and gents? It's your boy Kayola, back with a quick video, and today you're gonna learn how Iann Dior creates his melodies. Let's get into it. Now, Iann Dior uses a technique for his melodies that countless melodic rappers use. So really, this video can cover Juice WRLD, Drake, even though Drake has millions of techniques. The Weeknd is heavy on this. He used to do this so much. And it's landing on the 808. Landing your notes on the 808. Landing your notes on the 808. Remember that. And the 808 usually falls at the first beat of a bar. The first beat, the first drum you're gonna hear is the 808. And you have to land your notes on the 808. And so I'm going to show you an example of Iann Dior's two songs, Emotions and Molly, and I'm going to show you how he does that. You see, when he said, she said I drove, he's landing that high note on the 808, man. So when you're making your songs, pay attention to the 808, where the 808 is. That's where you're going to want to land your high note at, is on the 808. And so let's go into Molly. Cuban link on my chain. That's where he's making his leap. If you go back to the Uzi video, you'll see what I'm talking about with the leaps. But basically with the leap is where you're going to jump in your note, is where you're going to put your high note. And Iann Dior focuses on the 808, which is on the first beat of the bar. He also has a pre-roll, so he doesn't just start on the first bar. That's why you hear the Cuban link on my chain. He gets low and then he jumps high. You know what I'm saying? She in my head, in my head. So focus on the 808, man. You could play a million YouTube beats, man, and you're gonna hear that 808. And when that 808 comes, that's telling you, just picture the 808 as a voice saying, this is where your high note needs to be. You know what I'm saying? And when I say pre-roll, it's just starting off at the end of the last bar. You know what I'm saying? So if the 808 is the first beat in the bar, the pre-roll is right before that. It's the beat right before the first bar. That's the in my head. She said it's all in my head. You know what I'm saying? And he starts with the pre-roll. He starts a little bit before the 808. So when the 808 comes in, that's when he makes his leap. That's when he jumps in the note. That's when he says his high note, man. So just remember, when you're writing your melodies, when you're writing your hooks, when you're writing your verses, whatever, if you're a melodic rapper, you want to focus on that 808. That's where your notes are going to be, especially when you're using auto-tune, because if the auto-tune is in the perfect key, matching your beat, and then you manage to hit that note on the 808 with the auto-tune, it's going to sound great. You'll be surprised. So tonight or whenever you do this, I want you to experiment. When you're in your studio, hook up your auto-tune, pull up your beat, and just sing over the 808. Sing over the beat and put your high notes where the 808s hit. Just play with it and you'll see. And then this is another tool that you could just add into your toolbox, man. I'm giving you guys tools. Your motherfucking toolbox is going to be so goddamn big. You're going to have so many ways to come at songs and melodies and hooks. You're going to be like a fucking songwriting master, man, when you're done with these classes, dog. Trust me. Once again, it's been your boy Kayola, and I appreciate all you guys for your requests, all the comments, all the likes, and subscribe. Keep on doing this. Share to your artist friends so we can all become the best artists we can be. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And I'll see you guys later. Getting game from my green man, he a lifesaver, call him Yoda. For your grab on my fucking dope, bruh. His shit gon' be down when it goes up. When the fast money slows up, then I'm in the studio for longer. Hercules, I'm getting stronger. Stop hating, you can live longer. Whatever you do, nigga, don't trust.